Good morning, everybody. Thanks to Mr. Abdullah, I'm here in this competition. I am Muaz Ahmed, and today I will explain to you one of the most confusing grammar rules. The difference between get used to and be used to. If you don't practice it well, it seems confusing at first. But when you practice it's very simple. First, get used to. Let's start with the easiest thing in it. It's formation. You start your sentence normally, then you add get used to plus verb ing or noun. The usage of it. It's very important to know the usage of what you are learning or what you are saying. We use get used to when we are talking about something we are in the process of getting familiar with it. For more illustration, you switch to another school, so you will take some time to get familiar with it. In the other hand, be used to is used to describe that you have already been familiar with this action. Its formation is sentence plus verb to be plus used to plus verb ing or noun. Now I will give some examples on those grammar rules. Examples on be used to. Number 1. I am used to living in a big city. That means I am familiar with that city. If I move to another small city or a village, I might not be familiar with it. Number 2. I am used to the snow. That means I am familiar with the snow. If I move to a country with the snow weather, I can adapt with it. Examples on get used to. Number 1. I am getting used to living in a big city. That means I am trying to adapt with the big city. I'm still not used to the big city. Number 2. I am getting used to my new car. That means I am practicing how to drive my car. Now, questions time. I will say the questions and you answer in the comments. It took me a long time to some of the local traditions. Get used to or be used to. Number 2. When I first arrived to the city, I hearing so much traffic noise, wasn't used to or didn't get used to. Number 3. Since I have been here, I still having such a short lunch break. Haven't got used to or wasn't used to. Number 4. I cold weather. So spending 3 months in Mongolia last winter wasn't an issue for me. Am used to or get used to. Answer in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I wish I explained that grammar rules correctly. Goodbye.